Hey, buddy.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. You're really good at that, Lovey. Look at you. You only learned how to do this week and you're already a pro. You're catching Michael Jordan air, man.
Yahoo!
Yeah, you like to bounce. When you like to bounce. Whoa.
He's got rhythm. He's got
Music.
He's got foot foam. Who could ask for anything more? Yeah.
Wow. Think you know how to use this thing now.
What's next? Helicopters.
Yeah. He's so good. You're bouncing your pants right up. Your knee pads are up around your hips. Huh. Yeah, is that fun? Yeah. Back to work. He's doing like it's his job.
And a break.